Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about student attendance management system. So here is the program itself and we can have a quick description of what it is. So student attendance management system is a software developed for daily student attendance in schools, colleges and institutes. So it facilitates to access attendance information of a particular student in a particular class or course. Okay, that's the brief description, and the objectives are to manage attendance, registration, updating, stroke deleting of user, so and course related information. So those are the objectives of this program. So to return back to our code and to build it so that we can see if it can run. Yes, there it is. That's built successfully. Then debug. Okay, there it is. So you can enter a new record, you can display the record, you can modify the record, you can search the record, and you can delete the record. So let's start. Enter choice one, enter a new record. Let's put a random name like Victor. Enter. Let's put for him roll number 1. Course, let's say IT, takes IT. The email ID, let's take victor at gmail.com. Contact, that's not a that's not a true contact number. Address can put maybe he lives in Nairobi, Kenya. So we are finished for entering the details for Victor. Let's add another student. So we are going to click Y and add another student. So let's say we add student Jacob. His roll number 2 now. Course, let's say the same, it takes IT. Email ID jacob at gmail.com. Contact number a random number. Address, let's say he lives in Kisumu. Okay, so we have entered the details of two students, Victor and Jacob. So we are going to return here. We have already entered 2 students logged in. We have logged them in into the system. Now we can display. So as you can see, we have Victor and Jacob. That's good. So we want now to modify a record. So we are going to come and say modify a record, choice 3. So we want to modify the details of Victor, who was roll number 1. So let's say Victor. Let's put roll number 1 again. Now we change the course which is taking. Let's say it's taking BBIT. Email ID the same. Contact number. Yes. Email in the address. Let's yes. We have modified the details of Victor. So if we come to display, we'll see that Victor it has been modified. It's now taking BBIT. So that's good. Now we are going to now search the record. Let's search the record of Victor, who was roll number 1. So as you can see, it has brought the details of Victor. We can also search for Jacob. Yes, it has brought the details of Jacob. So we are going now to go to delete a record. So delete. So let's say we want to delete the details of Jacob, who's roll number 2. So we are going to enter 2. So when you go back to display record, you can see very well the details of Jacob have disappeared. So we have deleted. So that was good. We can also delete for Victor. So let's say roll number 1. So if you go to display, we have no data present. You see, so it's good. And the last one is to exit. Okay, as you can see, it has logged in, it has updated, and it has done all that. So thank you for viewing my video. Make sure to subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.